Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Everything Martha Crafts and More. And yesterday was Halloween and I put up just a tiny little video of how my Halloween basket looked with all the candy inside. And we had some kids come over, but not a whole lot, but we did have some and it was fun. I put some spooky music out there and the jack-o'-lantern that my daughter came out really cool. It was one of Chucky. And, so today I have a DIY for you and it is gonna be so pretty. I bought this adorable little wooden house at Michael's and I want to start getting, every year I get a few new items to add to my Christmas decorations, and so I thought that this house would be really cute. I am gonna paint it and decorate it with some little Christmas items that I bought at Michael's, and I think it's gonna be so pretty, and I'm gonna do that video today and I'm gonna share it with you. And so it's amazing what you can do with the little house. Was just 5 something and I had a 20% off coupon, so I went ahead and got it for $4 and something, and I'm really excited about doing it. I might add it to my little Christmas village that I have, and I'll show you that when I do my decorating, which I'll probably start in the 3rd week of November, because I like to have it done pretty much by the beginning of December, sometimes even for Thanksgiving. So I need to start getting to work on that, and I am really excited about this DIY. I think it's going to be adorable. And for my subscribers that have been subscribed, thank you so much for staying watching my videos. And for my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. I'm super excited that you joined my channel and I hope that you will enjoy my videos. So let's get started with this DIY, Christmas DIY, which I think it's going to be really cute. So let's get going. See you soon. Okay guys, and this is what I'm going to be working with today. I have this adorable wooden little house that I bought at Michael's, and let me turn it around for you. It's from Art Minds, and I paid $4 and something for it. It was actually 5 something, but I had a 20% coupon, and I think it's so cute. So I am going to be working with that little house, and I'm gonna make it Christmassy. And for part of my decor, this glossy Mod Podge, some folk art multi-surface white acrylic paint. I'm gonna use this black chalkboard paint, which is from Dollar Tree. So you're gonna need some paintbrushes, a hot glue gun, and I bought these adorable stickers at Michael's as well. And I'm gonna be adding some of these into my little house, and I'll be using the rest for some other projects that I'm sure I will be doing. So I really do like this little wooden house, and so I'm gonna be working with that today. I hope you'll stay and watch. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm going to start out by using some of this chalkboard paint, which I got from Dollar Tree, and it's called Craft Wise chalkboard paint. I'm gonna pour some in my bowl here, and I'm gonna start out by using a really thin paintbrush because I am going to paint the roof in black, but I'm not painting these two in black, so I want to make sure that I'm pretty precise. And this paintbrush is working just fine. Hope you can see how that's turning out. I love Christmas, you guys. I love to decorate for Christmas, and every year I add a little something to my Christmas decor, whether I make it. Sometimes I make it like something like this. I craft, and sometimes I buy already made. But every year I add something or some things, more than one. So I like to usually have the house decorated by Thanksgiving Day. So I'll probably, like I said, I'll start decorating second week of November to third week of November. And so I've gone around the area that I don't want in black. And now I'm gonna get a little bit of a bigger brush, just so that I can get it done a little bit faster. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Folk Art multi-surface satin acrylic paint in white. So I've painted the top and bottom, the floor and the roof of my little house in black. And I'm going to, and these little things in white, and I've started painting the stairs, and I'm gonna do all the walls in white as well. Basically, I want it to be a white and black house. And I think it's gonna be super adorable.